Welcome to the club. I actually already brushed my teeth right before I did that. We're going to try the first aligners. This is going to be fun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to be putting in my clear aligners. I just did an unboxing on my channel, explained to you more about Smile Direct, and now I'm coming to you guys to show you how I'm putting in my aligners. Here they are. I'm so excited. Okay, so there was a little sticker just to like stick it to the box. This is the first aligner, wear for 1 week, 22 hours a day. So basically I'm only ever allowed to wear these when I can't wear them when I'm eating, and I can't wear them when I'm drinking. I can wear them if I'm drinking cold water only. So coffee in me is saying, oh my God, I'm not gonna have coffee. It's okay. And then every single time that I take them out and I eat and then I put them back in, I have to brush my teeth. So, brush and floss, which I just literally did. So my teeth are clean, and I'm opening up this now. So here are the clear aligners, which they should align to my teeth. So this is the bottom set, which actually my bottom teeth really aren't like that crooked. The top teeth, however, are really crooked. So according to the book, you slip them in and then you use your chewies to set them in place if they don't just slip on. So I'm going to go clean my aligners really quick, just rinse them off with water, and then I will be back to you in a second. Here is the bottom set of aligners, and I just rinsed them off. And then here is the top set of aligners. You guys can see like my snaggle tooth there. So let's get these in. Bottom set. I don't know if I use my smile stretchers or not. I think I just put them in. Let's find out. Oh my. That feels so weird, and now I have a lisp, and they're super tight. So I do feel some areas where I am going to have to file them down. And then here is the top. This is going to be hard because of my snaggle tooth, I swear. This is really like awkward. Where's my mirror? So now I use my chewies and I pop them in. So here are the chewies. So to get the front of my teeth like into the aligner because they're so crooked, I'm just biting down on the chewy. Guys, I am a drool factory, so yes, I have a lisp, a very bad one. This is what the aligners look like. So you can't even really tell that they're there. Like, I feel them. I feel like I have a lot of saliva, but you can't tell that they're there, which is awesome. You guys are going to see updates on my channel about my Smile Direct smile. And here it is so far. This is day 1, the 14th of January, and we have my smile in. So these are going to be worn all the time, besides when I eat and I drink anything but water. So I'm so excited, and oh Jesus, like I look like a mess. But just on our time so you guys can see. You guys will see my transformation from this to something better. And when I film next time, hopefully I do not have a lisp. So guys, update on my aligners week 1. Right now I have the top ones out. I've been finding that a part of it is like poking me in the lip up here. And like they said in the instructions, you're supposed to file down whatever is really, really uncomfortable for you. So I've been filing down the part that's literally like poking me in the lip. It's because I have such crookedness right here in the way that the aligners were molded. this is my first set. And so I have been sitting here just kind of like filing down. There's like a little pointy part right here that keeps literally just like making my lip bleed. So yeah. Other than that though, I'm on day 2 of my first set of aligners, and I have noticed a difference already. My mouth is really, really tight. It's really hard for me to talk without a lisp. Even now, I have the bottom ones in. And they're still really tight, obviously. And so while I'm filing these down, then I'll go wash them and then stick them back in. I do feel these teeth in particular, like the front ones, definitely feel like they are being shifted a little bit. Slight discomfort, but anything like super painful. I've never ever felt like my teeth were any cleaner because every single time I eat or I drink anything besides water, I run upstairs, I brush my teeth, I use mouthwash, and I swear like my teeth have never felt so clean. Hey guys, good morning. So I took out my aligners because I'm going to eat breakfast, but I feel a little bit of tightness in my teeth. Obviously you're not really going to notice a difference yet, but here's what they look like so far. Tightness here, definitely. It's definitely shifting over, and then this tooth is definitely shifting forward. So I just filmed for you guys. Go check it out. And this is day 6. I change my aligners tomorrow. And this is what my teeth look like so far. With these aligners, like, it became easier and easier to get them in and out. I actually didn't even need to use the chewies to get them back in, which is awesome, which means that my teeth have been moving, and obviously that's what they're supposed to do. And I can already feel a little bit of a difference in the way that my teeth are aligned, the way that my bite is, and it's exciting. There is one thing that I noticed. It's kind of funny. So I can't wear lipstick with my aligners. I actually put lipstick on in my video today, and all of a sudden it was like all over my aligners, so I had to wash them off. And yeah, so no lipstick with the aligners unless I just want it to always look like I have lipstick all over my teeth. And other than that though, like, yeah, I did have to shave off quite a bit of here because it was super uncomfortable. It actually was cutting into my lip. It was cutting my lip and causing a sore on the inner part of my lip. So I had to use the emery board and really get in there and file down some of the sharp edges. And other than that, like the rest of the aligners, I haven't had any problems with like in any other spots on my mouth except for right here. And I think that was just more Smile Direct Club not really anticipating that it was going to cut into my mouth so much, and it was really bad. Like it was like bleeding. There was a sore there for a couple of days. It probably would have gotten worse had I not been brushing my teeth every single time I ate and drank. So other than that though, I put in my new aligners tomorrow, and there will be a video up on my channel about that as well. And I hope you guys like these updates on my aligners, and thumbs up the video, subscribe so you can see more on my Smile Direct Club progress, and ring the bell because then it'll tell you when I actually post. So